let's start with chapter number 8, Article 370 and 355A. Indian government abolished decades-old laws that gave a measure of autonomy of dispute of Hindu Muslims majority region. So we will study about this region, Jammu and Kashmir region, जिसमें क्या हुआ था Article 370 and 355A, like 35A लेके आया गया. India has scrapped the law that grants special status to Indian administered Kashmir aimed at indefinite lockdown and massive troops deployment in the disputed region. और जो Ministry of Home Affairs कौन है हमारे अमित शाह. He closely along of Prime Minister Narendra Modi told Parliament on Monday, 5 August 2019, that President had signed a decree of abolishing Article 370 of the Constitution, stripping a significant autonomy Kashmir had enjoyed for 7 decades. So now let's talk about what is Article 35A. So Article 35A is a part of Article 370. So Article 35A is added to the Constitution after an order of President. The special thing is that it is since a constitutional gathering, any proceeding of the Parliament, in any proceeding of the Parliament, Article 35A is never mentioned. आपने देखा होगा किसी भी आर्टिकल ना जब बड़े हो जाओगे तब आपको और देखने को मिलेगा कि जो आर्टिकल 35A को कहीं मेंशन नहीं करता. So Article 35A of the Constitution empowered the Jammu and Kashmir State Legislature to define permanent residence. इससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप परमानेंट रेजिडेंस वहाँ के कहला सकते हो और आप वहाँ के जितने भी स्पेशल राइट हैं, प्रिविलेजेस हैं परमानेंट रेजिडेंस के, वो भी आपको मिलेंगे. It was added to the Constitution through a presidential order issued by the President of India, 14th May 1964 under Article 370, part of 21 of the Constitution. Right? Now, how did it came about? Article 35A was incorporated in Constitution कब 1954. ऑर्डर दिया था किसने? अंडर द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ राजेंद्र प्रसाद ऑन द एडवाइस ऑफ जवाहरलाल नेहरू कैबिनेट. ठीक है, किसकी? जवाहरलाल नेहरू की कैबिनेट पे हुआ था. So the Constitution Order 1954 followed by 1952 Delhi Agreement and entered between Nehru and the Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Sheikh Abdullah, which extended Indian citizenship to the state subjects and Jammu as Kashmir. So text of Article 35A, after Article 35, the following new articles shall be added, namely 35A. क्या है आपका? Saving of laws with respect to permanent residents and their rights. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Constitution, no existing law in the force in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and no law hereafter enacted by the legislature of the state. So, defining the classes of person who are or shall be permanent resident of the state of Jammu and Kashmir or imposing upon other person may be a restriction as respect to employment under the state government, acquisition of movable property या settlement in the state. आप एक्विजिशन कर रहे हो, जा रहे हो, सेटलमेंट कर रहे हो, या फिर आप राइट टू स्कॉलरशिप एंड अदर एड फॉर्म ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, ये सब आपको मिलेगा. नाउ व्हाई आर्टिकल 35A was challenged or abolished? Because according to Article 368 of Indian Constitution, amending power of the Constitution वो किसके हाथ में लाई करती है? जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को अमेंड कर सकते हैं वो क्या है? पार्लियामेंट. So the president has no power to amend the constitution and incorporating a new article, but जो article 35A इसको किससे insert करा हमने? presidential order से. So it inspection itself is unconstitutional. वो क्या है? अपने आप में क्या है? Unconstitutional. Now article 35A is abolished for its gender discrimination violation in article 40 and infringing the fundamental right of the citizen. ये क्या कर रही है? आपकी fundamental right के भी against है. So Article 35A of Indian Constitution and Section 6 of Jammu and Kashmir Constitution, they are being challenged for being gender discrimination. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? हमारी fundamental right भी violate हो रही है. So Article 35 is against the very spirit of oneness of India and it's create class within the class of. भाई इंडिया में ही class के अंदर एक class बना रहे हैं. So that is not good. Order on Article 35A in 2019. अब एक order आता है. On 5 August 2019, Amit Shah announced in the Rajya Sabha Upper House of Indian Parliament that President of India has issued the Constitution Order 2090 under Article 37. 70, सस्पेंडिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑर्डर ऑफ 1954. जो ऑर्डर था 1954 का वो सस्पेंड हो गया. सो द ऑर्डर स्टेटेड दैट ऑल द प्रोविजन ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अप्लाइड टू Jammu and Kashmir. This effect means that separate constitution of Jammu and Kashmir stood abrogated. और जो president ने एक order issue करा with concurrence of the government of India state. Amit Shah introduced that Jammu and Kashmir Recognition Bill 2019, जिसमें राज्यसभा to convert Jammu and Kashmir status to 2 separate union territory, जिसका नाम है आपका Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Right? The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir have proposed to have legislator under the bill, whereas Union Territory of Ladakh to have by one. By the end of the day, the bill was passed by Rajya Sabha और कितनी वोट से 125 वोट से और फेवर में कितने थे 61 अगेंस्ट 67. द नेक्स्ट डे द बिल वॉज पास इन द लोकसभा. वहाँ पे भी आपको 370 वोट्स देखने को मिलती है और 70 अगेंस्ट थे मतलब 84%. सो 50% से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. The bill became the act after it was signed by the President Ramnath Kovind, and the 2 union territory came into existence on 31st October 2019. That is your Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Now let's study about the Jammu and Kashmir State Organization Act. It is considered by Parliament of India. Enact किसने करा? राज्य सभा ने. Enacted on 5 August 2019. Then we can say that elected by Lok Sabha or enacted August 6, assented on August 9, 2019. साइंड कब हुआ था? 19 में हुआ था. किसने करा था? रामनाथ कोविंद ने. और स्टेटस अब भी फोर्स में. सो दिस ऑर्डर टू रिवोक जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्पेशल स्टेटस एंड मैंडेटिंग इंट्रा लाया the provision of Indian constitution will be applicable and this enabled parliament to enact this legislation. अब parliament अपना legislation वहाँ पे enact कर सकते. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.